Many people turn their nose up at cheaper, smaller air hockey tables. This comes as no surprise, really. Many of them are not all that good. However, you are urged to look beyond this. If you want a cheaper table that your children, who may not be all that into air hockey, want to play, you may want to look into one. Let's look at the Playcraft Sport, a 40 inches table. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. Who is this table for? This Playcraft Sport 40-inch tabletop air hockey table has been built for children or occasional players with very limited space. Simple as that. It is small at just 40 inches in length. This means the accessories are small. It's hard to imagine an adult being able to play on this table and look as though they are playing seriously. It is not going to be ideal for competitive play. It is not going to be ideal for playing every single day. This is a table you are meant to whip out when your children have nothing else to play with. It is a toy, albeit a well-built toy. How well does it play? For a small tabletop air hockey table, the Playcraft Sport does play extremely well. Obviously, the motor is not the most powerful in the world. This means the puck is not going to glide over the surface like it is made of butter. It jumps about a little bit and the puck can be unpredictable, particularly when it rebounds off of the sides of the table. That being said, the people who tend to opt for this type of table are not after something that provides play similar to the pros. They just want to have fun, and the game provides that in droves. The accessories, example your strikers, are small. They are designed for smaller hands, which, once again, means that this is something built for children. Once your child hits the age of 10, they are probably not going to have fun playing on this table. It will be too uncomfortable to hold the accessories. Since the table, including the puck catcher, has been designed only for the accessories it is supplied with, you can't really upgrade it, either. Quality of the build for such a small and cheap table, it has been built rather well. One of the things that surprised us is the fact that the table boasts a solid MDF construction. Most other air hockey tables on the market of this size are just made from cheap plastic. This means they are rather poorly built and they do not look all that good. The MDF frame means you do not have to worry about breakage as much. It also means the table remains sturdy during intense plays. Of course, you can't expect the air motor to be that good. It is going to be low-powered. However, it doesn't falter all that much. You won't be having the puck dart about everywhere with this motor, but it is solidly built. Obviously, since this is a cheaper table, you can't expect more than 2 years of usage out of the motor. Anything higher than that is going to be a bonus, but this is not really a table that has been built to last. Summary: obviously, this table is not going to be for air hockey enthusiasts. It is 40 inches long, but if you are purchasing a table for your children, or to provide a bit of fun from time to time, there is no reason why you can't go down this route. It certainly is one of the best built small tables we have seen in recent years. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.